Hey everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. Comments in code serve several important purposes, contributing to the overall readability, maintainability, and collaboration within a software project. Some of the key reasons why comments are important in code include documentation, code explanation, debugging and troubleshooting, collaboration, code maintenance, regulatory compliance, educational purposes, and even sometimes for automatic documentation generation. The way how we write code in HTML is pretty simple. We write code like this: angle bracket, note of exclamation, double dash, and if you see, the rest of the portion has been completed for me. These two dashes following by another angle bracket is already generated, and anything that I write in between is a comment. Now this line will be excluded from execution of the code. Always. There is also a shortcut to comment in HTML. So for example, if this is an explanation. So for example, I do not want my web page to render this text. What I'll do is I'll click anywhere in this line, anywhere, and use control and /. That is how my code will be commented. That line particular will be commented. If I want to uncomment it, the same stuff, control /, and it will be commented.